Hello traders, welcome back to my channel once again today. So in this video I'm just going to show you how I basically stack up trades using this strategy, right? And it's a strategy that I've been introducing to you guys, and if you don't have the setting to this strategy, please check in the description box. You're going to see the link to the video, the detailed video where I made and then I gave conditions on how to trade with this strategy. I mean honestly, you've been missing a lot if you are not trading with this strategy. Okay, so this is how I stack up trades, and in a particular move of the market I could take as many trades as possible, and as much setups or as much signal that it gives me, I put in right away, and then I ride it to the end of the trend. Okay, now one thing about this particular strategy is that it gives you entry and also exit. As I not really exit, of course, entry and a logical place for you to place your stop loss, right? So let's just dive straight into the video. But before we continue that, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button if you find value in this video at the end of the day, and also do good to share with others, right? Turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. Meanwhile, there are VIP strategies on the way. Okay, I've released already as promised, because you guys voted that I should release series of videos, and I'm going to be releasing more videos, more VIP videos, those ones I've been using for years on my different devices. And also I'll be releasing videos on a series of fair value gap and small money concept, and also on trading psychology. Okay, and let's see how the year will go for us. I believe that this year is going to be extraordinary. Okay, many of you are going to be profitable. So let's just dive straight into the video right away. First and foremost, this is 5 minutes time frame, but then I was able to identify a particular trend line that have been respected, okay, on 4 hours time frame. So I was able to know the momentum or the direction of the market. Okay, so when price made this move, okay, from here, this impulsive move down to this point, okay, this is like 4 hours plus 4 hours, that is 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours stretch. And then I discovered that there's gonna be a potential reversal here. This is a very sniper entry I took from here, and then that was my first trade, and the second trade was here. Okay, but then these signals, I discovered this reversal, but I took the entry from my M1, right? Let me quickly plot this strategy, and this is it. It's my Bollinger Band on the main chart. So here is the setting, still the same setting. Please, if you do not have the setting, here is the setting, and you can refer to the link in the description box to watch the video that I made in detail concerning this. So I'll click done now, and then I'll have it plotted on my main chart, right? So I already discovered what price was doing from higher time frame, and then I came down to lower time frame. Remember, I told you guys that if you want to stack up trades using this strategy, there's going to be that after price has made a downward push, if you are looking for buying opportunity, right? Okay, I didn't show you the setting to the moving average. Okay, the moving average still on the main chart is this is the setting. Period 150, shift is 0, and all that. You can take a screenshot of that, right? So now going back to the charts, I did say that if price has made a descended move, if you are looking for buying opportunity just like this, now price has been on a bearish move from here to this point. Okay, now you are looking out for the moving average, reversing, right? And of course the Bollinger Band, the 3 lines crossing it. This is where the crossing took place, as you can see. Look at it. You see the moving average made a descending move as well, bearish move, and then when price reverse, remember I already took note of the momentum or the direction, the reversal on higher time frame. So this was where you know M1 started playing out the reversal that's been detected on the higher time frame, right? So you see this was where price reversed, and if you go to higher time frame, the rejection, the long wick you saw on that particular candlestick is from here to this point that you're seeing, right? So as soon as price reversed on M1, and then the moving average, the three lines of the Bollinger Band crossed the moving average, there was a pullback. This was where the pullback took place. Okay, let me zoom out completely so that you understand. Not completely anyways. You see the crossing took place here, and I told you guys that as soon as there is a crossing whereby the three lines of the Bollinger Band all cross the moving average above, if you are looking for buying opportunity, that there's going to be a pullback. Okay, it is after that pullback, if you're able to spot it enough, that early enough, that you're going to take your buy trade. Okay, you see this was the first pullback that happened, right? And the pullback, I said, yeah, that it should be that price will get to the last line of the Bollinger Band. In this case now, the lower line of the Bollinger Band, and this was where it happened. And then I took, though I entered earlier, okay, then the second was here, still around this range. Okay, now this was supposed to be a buy limit order, right? And then when price eventually bounced off from here, I took another one. Okay, this was a kind of range, and the swing low of that range actually caught the lower line of the Bollinger Band, so I took the trade. Now it continued moving again, right? This was where the second pullback came, right? I actually entered a trade here, but I was kicked out because I entered too early, right? I was kicked out. Now, but then remember I said your stop loss is gonna be below the moving average if it's very close to the entry or to the pullback. But if it's not very close, you look to your left. If I refer to that video, you get the details of what I said concerning your stop loss, right? Price kept moving again. I think, okay, this was where I entered the second trade, but I was kicked out by this pullback. So I had to forget about M1. I moved over to M5, right? And then I discovered that this was where the whole crossing took over. Okay, the whole crossing took over, and then price pulled back and gave me this entry. I had to enter another one. So now I'll wait for another entry on M5 again, and if it's not coming by, I move to M15. I move to M15 and then wait for price to cross the both price and the Bollinger Band to cross the moving average, and I'm looking at it crossing here. So once it crosses, then I'll look for a third entry. Of course, that should be my fourth entry actually. So then I will wait for another opportunity, that is another pullback, and that's how I'm going to continue until price gets to my target, which of course is the upper trend line, as we have discovered, upper trend line. So I will expecting a pullback when price gets to, of course, before price will get to that upper trend line, should be somewhere around here, because it's not coming to this place straight. Okay, price will come this way, move, and then get to somewhere here. So I'll be moving from lower time frame, in an ascending order. From 1 minute I will look for an entry, then to 5 minutes, to 15 minutes, to 30 minutes, and if the trend continues, that's how I'll be stacking trades until I get to my target. So this is basically how you stack trade using this particular strategy. Very powerful strategy, very powerful trading approach, and if you can take advantage of it, you always make money. And I was actually kicked out of the market, and this is what I've made so far. Today, early this morning, and honestly, the charges, the commission on this account is extravagant. I mean, um, but it's fine. It's fine. So let's see how it goes. So please, if you have watched this video to this end, do good to hit that like button, share with others. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you are gonna get notified. Look at this strategy, watch the video, check in the description box. You're gonna see the link to that video. Watch it, apply it, study it, and you can use this particular strategy to make money more than ever before, more than have ever used any strategy, because it hardly fails. So many thanks for watching this video to this end. Please expect more videos, more contents, diverse contents from this channel. And please also leave in the comment section, give me suggestions of the kind of video, the kind of contents you want me to make, and I'll gladly do it for you guys, because I want us to grow together into profitability this year and beyond. So I'll be talking to you in my next video. This is Great Councils signing out for today. Bye.